Total matches, 88. Total runs. Scored, 3,807. Batting average, around 37 centuries, 6 half-centuries, 18 highest score, 136 total wickets. Taken, 362 bowling average. Around 22 5 wickets. In an innings, 23 times 10 wickets in a match, 6 times one-day international, ODI. Record total. Matches, 175 total runs. Scored, 3,709 batting average, around 33 centuries. 1 half-centuries, 19. Highest score, 102. Not out. Total wickets. Taken, 182. Bowling average, around 26 best bowling figures, 6 wickets for 14 runs. As a captain, he captained Pakistan in 48 Test matches. He led Pakistan to win the 1992 Cricket World Cup. In the 1992 World Cup final, he scored an important 72 runs. Overall career, Test plus ODI, total runs, 7,516 total wickets. 544. Imran Khan is known as one of the greatest all-rounders in cricket history because he was strong in batting, bowling, and leadership.